In this video, we're going to be talking about updating the application. Just to show you the recap here, that in terms of the images, if I want to see what images we currently have, I have the getting started guide, and I do have that to-do list Python app. These are the images, which are just snapshots. Don't do like they are just snapshots of the file system and the application information, but they are not really running. In order to see what containers or application are running, I'm going to be saying docker container ls. So we have again two applications. One is the getting started one, and the other one is the to-do list Python app. Again, last time I tried to run w3m and the http://localhost, and this should be 3000. Can't load localhost colon 3000 http. Oh, it is 3002. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, the problem with that one is that I'm not really able to show much of that. But regardless of that, let's just try one more thing. That running browser and terminal. So w3m, we tried that. Let's try the links if that is a little bit better. Let's see if I do have that links. Yes, and the same one. Okay, command up arrow quit to do application. Okay, hold quit. That is not really gonna work. So I won't be able to show you guys in the browser, but assume that the application is running on the local host and then the column 3002. Nice. Okay, now what if we want to update our application, right? So in order for us to update the application, right, what we need to do is updating the application, right? So first of all, what you can do is, like in this tutorial or in this video, we're gonna be actually kind of removing the container, where we're gonna say, okay, I know that the container ID is this one, right? So in order for me to remove it, I will just say docker container remove and the container ID, and because it's already running, so I will say -f for force flag, and docker container ls is going to show you that application is not running anymore. Okay, now we want to make some changes here. So for that, in order to update that, you will just go vim source. I'm just making one change here in the code. So let's say if I say no items yet, add one above, I may change the message to you need to add an item. Okay, once you update that, all you have to do in order to get this container update it, you will just say docker again run dp 3002 to 3000, and we did talk about it. This is the local port, and this is the port of the application, and the name of the app, right? So that would be to do list python app. So it started that. In order to confirm that, I will just do docker container and then ls. That's gonna show me that. So I'm just gonna hit that URL just to confirm that it really updated that. So it did not update that. That means what we need to do here is whenever you make a change in the code, you actually have to build the image again. So in order to build the image again, docker image ls. So first we're gonna be saying docker, we're gonna be removing the container one more time, docker container remove this with the force flag. Oops. Okay, and then docker image, we're gonna remove the image too, right, with this image id. So I will do docker image remove, and it removed the image. Now once I have made the change, I'm gonna say docker and then build with the tag. As you can see there, if I just ls the images, I don't have that app anymore. So I'm just gonna say docker build dash t as in tag over here. This is gonna be much more quick, and the reason is that we already have downloaded the node dash colon 18 dash alpine. So it's just gonna make the application changes and should be much more quicker compared to if we had been running it for the first time. So it is completed. All we have to do again, if I want to see do I have the container, I will say this. I do not have the container. In order to start the container, I will say docker run dp, and the ports are, I'm gonna assign 3002 to 3000, and then the name of the app, which is to do list python app. It started. I'm gonna confirm that docker container ls, and it's running over there. I'm just gonna go to the browser to confirm, and I see the change I made. I can actually see it on the browser. Yeah, for some reason it is not showing, it's not letting me show over here links. I wish I could show here, but no, they don't like it. Okay, but yes, you can take my words, and it is, the change has been updated in the browser. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. This is like how you would normally build it again every single time you make some changes, and then um, you will be building the image again and then running the container out of that image once you are done with the changes. We later in this video tutorial we were gonna be seeing, or video series you're gonna be seeing, is like this is not necessary to build the image every single time. Whenever you make any changes to your code, we can actually have something which can look at our code changes, and we're gonna be covering that too. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks for watching.